Hyundai Elantra. Took the ceiling down. Yep. If you look in here, it's a spare tire. Water was leaking in there, and I think we took care of that. Of course, took the ceiling down. And if you look right here in the right corner, okay, you'll see a whole bunch of goop, silicone. It was cracked. So we patched that up. Headliner. We took the headliner out. Okay. And if you look on the left, we put some silicone there too. That was a bigger crack. Yep. So hopefully that fixed the water problem. We poured a whole bunch of water and saw no leaks, no drippage. So hopefully that's good.
Hopefully you don't have a license plate on there.
No. No, I don't. So yeah. But of course, taking the headliner out, that wasn't just the part we took out, or he took out. He had to take some side panels out. See that? How that's popping out? Yeah, he took that out. That side panel and the front driver's side is out. Yep. These side panels. Okay, bye-bye.